Hi guys, today I'm going to use two different colours, red and gold, to show you how to write the word Christmas in acrylic pen. What I'll be doing is using the gold for my thinner upstrokes and red for my thicker downstrokes. So I've marked out the word, as I always do, how I'm going to kind of attempt this in calligraphy. You can see where I've got my different strokes there, and I'm just going to quickly write it for you so you can see, and the different colours will show you the patterns you can follow if you want to write it yourself. And I add a little bit more colour on the end just to shush it up. So yeah, here we go. You can add a bit of texture just by adding a different colour if you want to. I'm going to add a dark green because it's Christmassy.